Hello everyone, my name is Siham. Today I will be analyzing a campaign ad by Gerald Doherty that please re-elect Gerald, please. The following video is political campaign by Gerald Doherty, which was made in 2016. The video went viral and has a total of 3.9 million views as of now. The campaign was aimed at getting people to re-elect him as the county commissioner of Precinct 3's Travis County. The video showcases his wife describing him while Gerald talks with people and uses his food and items around him to explain his political stand and things he would like to work on with the county. The video has comical aspect to it, showcasing his wife describing him as a man without hobbies and begging people to elect him as to give her a break from him. The campaign taps into both genders, showcasing a wife's view of a husband likes and a bonding session between the men and women separately, while still educating people on Gerald's knowledge and passion for the county.
Room to put 2,700 people in our jail. It costs us about $103 a day.
Gerald really doesn't have any hobbies.
Last year's tax.
The campaign from the get-go seems more like a reality TV show. Most reality shows have scenes and people explaining certain happening within the scene. The campaign has an appeal to users because of the lifelike experience that gives the audience the feel of being part of moment within the ad, even if it is for a few minutes. For a video to go viral, there is need to identify what the video or content does to the reader or viewer. People will watch and embrace something that gives them feeling of belonging and being a part of community. The connection created within a video is important to make a video go viral. The video has this aspect to it.
Rate was 0.4169. This year, we could take that down to 3.838.
So is he always like that?
Yeah, all the time.
Which means that the 3.838 is probably going to go somewhere between 3.838 and 41.69.
Most people leave their work at the office.
We got 3 light rail cars. You can put 60 people on each car. So even if you add 2 cars, you're talking about maybe 300 people that are affected. There are a million people in this community. I mean, that is 0.01 to the 8th power. If you round it off, it's 0.
All he wants to do is fix things.
So I guess
one important thing that enables a video to go viral is humor. People love to laugh and smile. A video that taps into this will definitely go viral. The video has some subtle aspects of comedy that are mostly seen in the wife's facial expression and her mode of talking. As she describes her husband as a boring person who carries works home with blunt expression that screams, "Save me please," the audience gets a moment to laugh. The video additionally creates a forum where people can relate to the wife's and husband's point of view. Gerald is unapologetically acting like himself as he continues to babble on about his county to the audience at his dining table who seems uninterested. Audiences love people who embrace themselves. Showing cases his real side on camera really draws in people. There are several hashtags that can be derived from the moment, such as hashtag why you are not alone, which relate to the wife's position as she constantly listens to her husband's political enthusiasm. Many women and children can relate to their father or husbands going on and on about things they love. Another hashtag is hashtag this is me proud, which can be related to Gerald and his love for politics and service to people.
this 18-wheeler that's parked in this neighborhood, spewing fumes all over the place, but quite frankly, it's not a code violation. You know, I think I like helping around the house here.
The most important part of the campaign was helping the audience learn new things about Gerald, his policies, passion, and proposed solutions. People love to watch content that will give them new knowledge or learn about themselves. The new knowledge leads the audience to feel something and may restore the faith in whoever is sharing the content. The knowledge shared by Gerald helps the audience have faith in him as he has pros on what the country has and needs. While he brags humbly, he creates trust with the audience. Overall, the video campaign brings people together by creating a sense of family that most people can relate to and feel happy while watching.
Please re-elect Gerald. Please.